How to recover deleted photos in Google Photos. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted photos in Google Photos. So let's get started. First of all, what you gotta do is simply head over, open Google Photos, and then you gotta make sure that your Google Photos are synced with your gallery. So whichever photos that you have deleted on Google Photos, you'll be able to see them in your trash or bin album. In order to find that album, you're going to click on collections over here, and then you'll be able to see this bin option over here, or in some devices you'll be able to see it as labeled trash. So you're going to click on this and you'll be able to see all of your items that you have recently deleted, but you need to know that they will be permanently deleted after 60 days. For example, if you have deleted any photo and you want to recover any photo that you deleted more than 60 days ago, you wouldn't be able to recover that photo. Only the pictures that you have deleted within the time frame of 60 days, you'll be able to recover them. So that is basically how you can recover deleted photos in Google Photos. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.